How to add text on Capcut. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel Quick Guide. I'm back here again with a quick and easy tutorial on how you can add text in Capcut. So let's get right into the video. First thing you have to do is open the Capcut application and tap on New Project option. Now select the clip which you want on your video. Once you select your video, you will be directed to this page where you can see the bunch of tools you can use to edit your video. Now in order to add the text, click on the text option at the bottom of the screen. Again, click on add text button and now you can write any text on your video. Once you write your text, you can change the font and style of it. You can also change the effects on your video by simply clicking on effects, and you can choose any effect you want on your text. You can also add animation as well as bubble on your text. Once you are okay with your text, click on tick mark option. You can simply adjust the duration of the text by simply dragging the text to the specific time. So there you have it. In this easy and simple way, you can add the text on Capcut. I hope this tutorial helped you. Don't forget to drop a like and subscribe to my channel. We'll meet you on next video. Till then, stay tuned. Bye bye.